everyone. Welcome to the 49th Annual Day, Founders Day and Alumni Award Night of Guggen Matriculation Higher Secondary School. First of all, I welcome Reverend Dr. Jagat Kasparaj, Chief Guest of today's evening, who has come all the way from Chennai to grace this occasion. Welcome, sir. Father is a globetrotter, as he is a much sought after orator all around the Tamil diaspora all around the world. We are privileged to have you today, sir. Welcome. Next, we welcome all the alumni who has gathered here to witness the Alumni Award Night, especially the batch of 2004 to receive the award on behalf of our best alumni, Dr. Dinesh Kumar. And with immense pleasure, I welcome all our dear students, parents, teachers and members of management to the 49th Annual Day celebration of Guggen Matric Higher Secondary School. We look forward to an amazing time with you all ahead. Welcome one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now to present.
Distinguished chief guests, parents, alumni, teachers and students. As a principal of the school, I deem it great pride to present the accomplishments and achievements of this academic year and set a bar high for the year to come. The team Guggen is passionate, energetic, resourceful, caring, amicable, consistent and cooperative teachers. The COVID-19 pandemic has a significant impact on learning, both in terms of how students are taught and how they are able to access education. The sudden shift to remote learning caused by the pandemic has resulted in a significant disruption. We understand that educators and learners deserve tools and resources that set up for success in the process of learning. This is the reason we partnered with Google and our education program. These simple but effective tools help the students and teachers to collaborate, manage classrooms and support safer learning environments. On a positive note, the pandemic situation helped us to go completely digital, complementing and supplementing the process of inculcating education. We conducted 3 mass vaccination camps, joining hands with public health centers to immunize the students against COVID-19. Our founder, Mr. Vijay Rajan, and former correspondent, Mrs. Javakani Vijay Rajan, had a vision of creating nurturing environment where students can thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. The supportive culture where students feel valued and respected and have a sense of belongings. Though the academic year 2021-22 had a delayed start, the classes went partly online and effectively backed up on campus. The efforts of the teachers and the students' cooperation bore fruit as Ms. Abhinaya R scored 472 for 500 in 10th standard and Ms. Lakshmi Deepika V scored 568 for 600. Our school has been recognized with the British Council's prestigious International Dimension in School certification with a number of partner schools all over the world. We had many collaborative sessions with schools from Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, etc. This is a year-long international activity and it is achieved only by 2,500 schools in India. The academic year 2020-22 started with great expectations and enthusiasm from the students. We continued our association with Karadi Path Educational Company for a new approach to English learning through action, story and music path in the traditional way of learning and undergone for the value-added life skill programs. Celebrating is important because it brings people together and creates a sense of unity. Here in Guggen schools, we acknowledge special occasions, milestones and achievements. National Doctors' Day was observed on 1st July to honor their contribution and noble work. The act of showing gratitude was taught to students by commemorating the day. World Chocolate Day, July 7th, was a special tribute to the invention of everyone's favorite chocolate. Students got acquainted with the history of chocolates and prepared and shared chocolates with their friends. Tea time is a chance to slow down, pull back and appreciate our surroundings. Our day started with a nice cup of tea brewed with different medicinal ingredients and the love of the students. It was a great experience for the students of 12th standard who prepared tasty boba milk tea and natural ginger tea for the teachers and staffs. National Junk Food Day was observed on July 21st by an expo of grade 6, 7 and 8 students. It created the awareness of taking healthy foods and paved a path to guilt-free eating of cakes, cookies, pani puri, sweets, noodles, chips, crackers, chocolates and many more for a day. World Paper Day was celebrated on August 1, joining hands with Madurai Paper Traders Association Madurai. The organizers conducted slogan writing, elocution and essay writing competitions for the students of kindergarten to 9th standard. The Madurai Paper Traders Association members graced the occasion and distributed prizes to the winners. At Guhan, student clubs play a important role in enhancing student engagement, academic achievement and personal development. They provide opportunities for students to pursue their interest and passion and develop new skills. Our storytelling club provides a space for students to share their own stories as well as learn about different forms of storytelling. We organize many events such as storytelling competition and workshops to promote a love of storytelling in the school community. Book Guild of Madurai is a formal network of book readers, book writers, book enthusiasts and literary professionals inclusive of media and arts established based on a community initiative approach for the people of Madurai. We take pride to be the first school chapter of Book Guild of Madurai. Our students participated in the storytelling competition organized by the Book Guild of Madurai and received awards from District Collector Dr. Anish Shekhar. To add a feather to the cap, community-based Rotaract Club exclusively for the teaching fraternity of Guhan named Rotaract Club of Madurai Preceptors was installed by the sponsored club president, Rotary Club of Madurai West. Ms. Kushbu Kuwar was the charter president and Ms. Sambhavi was the charter secretary. The team completed its journey during COVID-19 with various service projects such as distributing refreshments to the frontline helpers and assisting the district officials in tracking the health updates of the COVID patients. The team passed the baton to the next team led by Ms. Sambhavi as president and Mrs. Adinandani as secretary. The Intra Club of Madurai Guhan Matriculation High Secondary School, sponsored by the Rotary Club of Madurai West, celebrated World Interact Week in the first week of November. Each day of the week is entitled with an activity such as Letters to the Soldiers, Mask Festival, Thinking Pair and Share and many others. Intra Club and Rotaract Club render their service in the form of medical camps. An eye camp in collaboration with Vasan Eye Care, a dental camp with Kalai Multi-Speciality Dental Clinic, a cancer awareness program for students, a cervical awareness programs for women was few to mention. A blood donation camp was organized in collaboration with Rotary Blood Bank, which was the need of the hour. The Tamil Literary Association Non-Kuda model was inaugurated on September 16 and the students visited Tamilisai Changam to learn more about Tamil literature and its importance. The Hindi Vikas Club was inaugurated on December 8 to celebrate the importance of Hindi and the North Indian tradition and culture were emphasized. Another gala event of our Vikas Club was the Navkanya Puja, a huge gathering of our parents, students and alumni who offered pujas and danced joyously to the Garba songs. A movie club has been initiated to create a quest to see and appreciate movies of different genre. Movie club was creative experience and positively impact students from a diverse range of backgrounds. A signature of our school is our band of musicians, the student band and the teachers band. Our students won the first place among 18 bands and our teachers won third place among 12 bands in the Ringo Bells competition by the St. Michael group of institutions. Faculty development program enhances the academic and intellectual environment by providing faculty members with ample opportunities to participate in seminars, conferences, workshops and strengthens their professional development. peers, they are more likely to push themselves to do their best and strive for success. Various innovative competitions were held on the campus under InSpirit. Students actively participated in competitions conducted by various other organizations and institutions such as Central Vigilance Commission, KDPDs, Cameron, Baijus, Fatima Michael Engineering College, Manna Thiruvannamalai College, Rajan Schools and band prizes. Invictus comprises the team and individual sports activities of the four traditional houses of our school, namely Sapphire, Carbuncle, Emerald and Topaz. This enriched their sportsmanship and played to their ability to bag the special cup. Quiz competition provides students with an opportunity to learn about a wide range of topics and subjects. It helps to promote critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Our students participated in various quiz competitions of the Patam, the Hindu and many more and won prizes. Learning is a process of change that occurs in students better through practicing in actual situations. Workshops for arts and various other skills such as speaking, marketing, showcasing products and photography were conducted with the help of experts in that area. We celebrated a lot of functions on our school campus such as Color Day, Doctor's Day, Krishna Jayanti, Onam, Ganesh Chaturthi, Christmas, Hello Day, Nutrition Day, Nutrition Week, Navaratri, Kartigais, Christmas and New Year. Our school is an unique environment, a slow-paced heaven of quiet and calm in a busy and frantic world. Here the children can excite decision making and choice, restricted only by the rights of others to enjoy the same. Here, they can build habits for work, to persist through difficulty, to make an effort, to accept the challenge of the new or different, to communicate and cooperate with others. This is made possible with positive, honest and warm assistance from the thoughtful staff around them. We are a school with a multicultural, socially diverse and geographically dispersed student population. We provide equal opportunity for boys and girls to achieve excellence in academic, cultural, sporting, civic leadership and social endeavors in an inclusive environment that supports learning, teaching and respective relationships. It is indeed great another year in the history of Guhan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I extend my heartfelt thanks to every person who made the year a successful one with their participation and support. It is because of all of you that we can provide a quality education here at Guhan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. May Goddess Meenakshi bless you always and in all ways. Thank you.